Welcome back to my channel. My name's Cassandra. We are heading into a Walmart haul. This Walmart haul is going to be a hair different than most just because of the way I did grocery shopping this month. Typically, I will go to Aldi. Whatever I can't get at Aldi, I'll run over to Walmart and pick up from there. However, did not do that this month. I needed convenience, and Walmart drive-up pickup service is that. So we did that this month first. We'll talk about later why I opted to do things that way, but if you are new, we are a family of 6. My kids range in age from 8 to 1. We homestead, we garden a lot of things. We grow a lot of things in the garden. Let's see if we can talk this morning. We hunt and fish for a lot of our protein, so you're not gonna see a lot of protein. You're not gonna see a crazy amount of vegetables. We are stocking up this month though. We'll talk about why. And let's see, our freezers are full right now of local beef, local pork, lots of fish, like I said. So grocery hauls are somewhat minimum for me. We'll see what you guys think on that, but convenience items heading back into school. So let's go ahead, turn the camera around, show you guys absolutely everything I got, talk about why. And I will also link down below my meal plan for September if you want to see how we plan on using these groceries, snacks, and all of those things. So let's go ahead, turn the camera around, and go ahead and talk about the Walmart stuff. Just got back from Walmart. This haul came to like $320-ish. I know I had some substitutions, so my total might have gone down a little bit, might have gone up a little bit, I'm not sure. The only things that are not here are a big bag of dog food and a big bag of cat food that we needed. I needed to stock up on the vegetables and things that I don't preserve here on the homestead. This is actually just a convenience item for me. I got 4 bags, 2 pounds, so 2, 4, 6, 8 pounds total. But how I like to do my vegetables is I will buy a big stock up like this every couple of months, and then I don't really have to worry about them. So I got 8 pounds of these mixed vegetables: carrots, green beans, corn, peas. I use these in casseroles, in soups sometimes, but mostly casseroles. On occasion, we'll use this as a side for dinner, but mostly casseroles or crock pot meals, things like that. So 8 pounds of this, won't have to worry about this for a little bit, and it's nice to just buy it all at once and stock up on it. So got those for the freezer. I also got just 2 bags of regular peas and carrots. Sometimes when we're doing a pot pie, I really like to use the mixed vegetables, but every once in a while we like to mix it up and just do peas and carrots or different casseroles. Sometimes you just want it to be a little different. You don't want the whole kit and caboodle, you just want peas and carrots. So I also got just a couple things of just peas and carrots. So these are for different meals and whatnot. Headed back to school, I asked the kids what they wanted in lunch boxes, and typically I'll do a lot of homemade stuff, a lot of sandwiches, or we do leftovers a lot in the kids' lunch boxes. But one thing, they requested 2 things. This is one of them, was the pizza rolls. They do these in the cafeteria on Fridays, and the kids really like that. But school lunches have gotten very expensive. At our school, they're almost $5 a lunch, and I would much rather, if the kids want to eat a hot lunch on Friday because it's pizza rolls, I would rather just buy the pizza rolls, because this whole bag is less than what it would cost my 2 kids who eat lunch at school, who are old enough for lunch at school. It's just more cost efficient to do it this way. So that's what I'm doing. We're all out of the pig that we bought. So I got 2 things of Italian sausage. I opted to do the casings. That way I can take like 2 casings, put it in a Ziploc bag, put it in the freezer, 2 casings, put it, you know what I mean? So that way I can do 2 casings of Italian sausage per meal that I would like them for. So I can get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 meals out of these couple things of sausages. So that's how I plan on doing that. Thing of wipes, because we got a lot of kids, we go through a lot of baby wipes. 2 things of jumbo shells. We do stuffed shells, and it's one of our family's favorite meals. We have grown out of doing 1 box, and we need 2 boxes, because if we want leftovers, we need to do 2 boxes, because otherwise we eat through them too quickly. A couple household items. I am going to go to Sam's Club to do bulk Sam's Club things, but thing of razors, I saw the 3-pack of toothpaste, so I opted to do that. I like these toothpastes for the kids just because it's easier for them to do their own toothpaste. And I like to promote independence in my kids. So even my 1-year-old can do this. So I got a couple more of these. We also have we have been working on a renovation project in our house for the last couple of years, slowly but surely, adding on a whole new like master suite. And now the new master, we have moved myself and my husband into the new master, and we moved some of our kids, our 2 older girls, who are the only 2 that share a bedroom. We moved them into the old master. So now that, at least if they're sharing, they have their own bathroom, and they're absolutely loving it. But that being said, we have 2 kids' bathrooms now, which is so nice. I can't wait to head into the new school year with 2 kids' bathrooms. But that being said, I need toothpaste in 2 bathrooms now, and hairspray in 2 bathrooms now. So you're gonna see that reflected here. I've kind of been doing duplicates. So we needed to kind of make sure everything was restocked heading into the new school year, now that everything is switched around and bedrooms have been rotated and kids are moved. And I'm so thankful that we were able to get that done before the school year started. That was a huge goal I had for this summer. So those things are reflected in the grocery budget for this month, just as we're like getting everybody kind of up and running, because the last couple of weeks we've been bringing toothpaste back and forth between bathrooms, and it's been like, okay, who has the toothbrush? Well, or not toothbrushes, but who has toothpaste, and where's the mouthwash, and where's the hairspray? So I just got a second thing of everything so we can put everything in bathrooms and keep it there. Also got a thing of mouthwash. My husband was out. This is the one he likes, so I got that. I did get a thing of powdered coffee creamer because last month I ran out of heavy cream, and I don't really like milk in my coffee. I don't know why. I just like heavy cream much better. So I decided that it would probably be best for me to have like a shelf-stable coffee creamer around, just for those times I run out of heavy cream or something. Or this is what my in-laws really like, and we are coming up on the holidays. We do a lot of hosting during the holidays. Well, during the winter, things slow down for my in-laws. They run their own business, so because things are slower, they come up all the time, and a cup of coffee, you know, some cookies, something like that is very typical. They'll come up in the middle of the day or for after the kids get off the bus, and this is what they like to put in their coffee. So it's probably best that I have this here anyways, so I got that. I did not go to Aldi first this month. Usually I will go to Aldi first and then go to Walmart for everything that I couldn't get at Aldi. However, it is a holiday weekend this weekend. We live in a very vacation-y area. There are a lot of cabins up here. A lot of people come up from Illinois, Chicago, Milwaukee, Madison, all of the big cities kind of down south. We live in northern Wisconsin. So if you are someone who travels from southern Wisconsin or Illinois, Ohio, whatever it is, and you come up here, we're gonna refer to you as a shacker. Lots of shackers are up here this weekend. Prices go up, first off, and store shelves are just completely wiped out. And I did not want to fight the shackers in Aldi today. My husband was the one who said I did that during Memorial Day weekend and 4th of July, and I complained when I got home about how terrible the stores were, and he said, you're not doing that to yourself again. Just put in your Walmart order, go to Walmart, and wait until, you know, all the shackers go back home on Tuesday or Wednesday, and go into Aldi and finish off your shopping. So I needed stuff for school lunches, so there are some things in this haul that typically I would have gotten from Aldi, but this month convenience won for me, and it's gonna show my grocery budget, unfortunately, but that's just kind of the way it rolls sometimes. So I got some Ritz crackers so the kids can do Lunchables for their lunches. Same with this little Colby Jack block of cheese. We already have pepperoni the kids can use. 2 things of cream cheese. I want to do some dips this month. Football season is upon us. We do a lot of dips on football days. I got a 5-pound bag of tater tots. We use these mostly for tater tot casserole, and whatever is left over after we do tater tot casserole, we'll use as sides for lunches, lunch boxes maybe, but no one complains about having tater tots around, but mostly for tater tot casserole. I got a thing of grapes. Usually would have gotten this at Aldi, but the kids wanted it for lunch boxes. Another vegetable I stocked up on was plain peas. My kids will eat these frozen, straight out of the bag. They dump them into a bowl. They love these frozen, like absolutely love them. It's probably one of their favorite things to eat, especially the baby. So I got, once again, 8 pounds of peas, but we will also throw these in stews, in pasta salads. We missed having these a lot. We ran out last month and the kids kept asking if we had peas. So I stocked up on these and these are good to go. Gallon of milk. I'm going to make our own snack pack puddings for the kids for lunches, and I needed an extra gallon of milk for that. This is something that was substituted. I ordered a big box of these. It had like 40 in them, and they substituted this one with 10 bars, which is okay. I just got these for the kids. I like to let the kids keep a granola bar or two in their lunch boxes because they do have an opportunity to eat snack in the middle of the day. And sometimes the kids won't want to pack a snack, or I forget to put a snack in their backpack. So having something like this just kind of stay in their backpack. If they're hungry, they can go get it. Or if they get to school and they had a light breakfast and they're still hungry when they get to school, they can have one of these ready to go. The other thing the kids asked for was chicken nuggets. This is another thing. The kids kind of get jealous when they see the kids in the cafeteria eating chicken nuggets. Much more cost efficient for me to just buy the thing of chicken nuggets and put a couple in their lunch boxes. I don't want to pay $5 for lunches. It's $10 a day between the two older girls. That's just ridiculous. This whole bag doesn't even cost $10. So this is well worth the cost for me. I got 6 things of honey wheat bread. I do make my own bread, but one of my school-aged kids does not like my homemade bread. I've talked about this in the past. Sometimes she's in for it and she likes it. Sometimes she just likes the store-bought stuff. So I got 6 loaves for sandwiches, breakfast, toast, things like that. I also got a thing of cuties. This was the other thing that the kids requested for the first couple days of school before I can get to Aldi. This is my canning thing. I canned these up yesterday. These are salsas. Very excited about this. And everything in this jar, minus like the spices and the vinegar, obviously, is 100% homegrown, which is super exciting, but this is something else. Also, this is the time of year things go on sale. You have college kids going away to college, and these like dorm foods go on sale. So things like tuna packets, hamburger helpers, little canned things, they all go on sale. And I take advantage of that. So I got 12. That was what they let me order online. 12 of these mini raviolis. These will be perfect for lunch boxes. Maybe the kids they come home from school, they want a snack. I can split a can between the kids. Lunches for the baby who's home during the day, but I did get the mini ones. These are the beef ones. Very, very great. And I did compare these with Sam's Club because Sam's Club sells a box of 12. It was actually the exact same price. So there's that. But I did get 12 of these. These are going to go on the pantry shelf. We're not going to eat these all at once, obviously. These are something that will last us a very, very long time, but a convenience item to have on the shelf. I know I'm going to head into a season being very busy where I'm going to be very grateful some days where I can just heat up the kids' thermoses, split a can between the two kids of mini raviolis so they'll be ecstatic to eat these in their lunch boxes. I can throw in a homemade roll or some homemade bread, maybe throw some of these peas in there that the kids like so much. They will be super great with these. So these are going right down on the storage shelf. When I need them, they will be there.
Oh, the tunnel closest starts to end up on the bridge.